So you're probably wondering what all that was about. Well, we bought a business. Let's tell you all about it. So one of the biggest questions we get asked is, how do we support ourselves on the road? Well, for the last 2.5 years, we have been RV techs, working on people's rigs as we go. We knew we needed something more, and then in October we got a phone call from somebody we had met at International, Phil the door guy. Now, tell me your biggest takeaways from this first international rally.
Well, you talk to people, and we were next to Phil the door guy, the famous door guy.
Yeah, he's so lovely.
But he is just unbelievably knowledgeable about Airstreams, and especially the doors, but just in everything in general. He's quite familiar with it.
Right. So you learnt a lot.
Yeah.
So imagine how amazed we were when Phil called Kevin in October and told him he wanted to retire and asked if we would like to buy the NoLOX business brand. How long did it take us to think of an answer for that?
Didn't take long.
It didn't take long.
I think we almost instantaneously decided to take this on, and we're glad we did.
We are.
Yes! 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 Yes!
Yes! Yes! So plans were made, and we decided that the can opener rally would be the best opportunity to hand over the business and for Phil to make the big reveal. At this moment, we're feeling a lot of emotions. We're grateful for this opportunity, nervous about stepping into such big shoes, and excited about the future and becoming a small business owner. We're also relieved that everything can now be revealed.
What I would like to tell you guys, please spread the word. As of this rally, I will no longer be doing any type of work. We're actually going to retire. The backside of that is we have a person that's going to pick up right where I'm leaving off, going to bring absolute excellent service to you, great people. If you don't know him, I'd like to introduce Mr. Kevin. Kevin is Endeavor. They're acquiring our entire process, the name, the products, all of it. And he's going to be with me the entire week, or 2 weeks, whatever it is, that we're here. Nothing is going to change as far as service, product, anything like that. Contact these people, support them, and just give them your best. He's a great guy.
We love you, Phil! We love you, Phil! During the entire 2 weeks of the Can Opener Rally, Kevin and Phil were hard at work every single day. Phil was able to train Kevin on the door adjustments, hinge repair and replacements, as well as many other jobs.
You'll show me after.
Yes, you will see it much clearer when
We sincerely wish Phil and Rochelle a very happy retirement and look forward to seeing them down the road. That was fun.
That was fun.
Okay, so about our business. We sell Airstream modifications, parts that are going to make your Airstream life easier. I'm not going to go into detail about all the different products because we have so many of our YouTube friends who have done incredible videos showcasing all of Phil's products. So I'm going to link those in the description below so that you can take a look. You can also take a look at what we have on our website. Down here and again in the description. All of your orders are packaged and sent while we're on the road. We're still full-time Airstreamers, so you never know where your parcel's going to come from. We're off to the post office now. So now that we have the business, it does slightly change our travel plans. We won't be able to spend 2-3 weeks out boondocking as we love to do, because we're going to need to be near a post office every day. But we will still be traveling full time around the country, focusing on visiting as many of the Airstream communities and parks as we can, and also going to a whole bunch of different Airstream rallies. So if you have a favorite Airstream rally, please leave it in the comments below so that we can maybe attend. We want to say a huge thank you to all of you for supporting small businesses in our Airstream community. Safe travels and see you down the road.